Good morning, kids. How are you all? Hope you all are safe at home. I know you all are good children, but do you know what makes you good? Yes, it is your good manners and polite way of speaking with others. So today we are going to learn some good manners and magic words that you need to use while conversing with your elders and friends. So let us learn. So children, first good manner is to greet people. We should always greet people whenever we meet them. We can say good morning, hello, hi, ask them how are you. We should greet our elders, parents, teachers and friends with a big smile on our face. Another good manner is to be kind. We should always be kind to everyone. Kindness means to be good to everyone around us. Being kind makes you feel as well as others happy. One should always be kind to animals also. We should never tease them or harm them. Another good manner is to share. Sharing is caring. We should learn to share with others. Learn to share your toys, your food with your friends who need them. They will be happy and in return share with you also. Sharing will make you learn to keep friends and play cooperatively with them. By sharing, you can also help your friends also. Next good manner is to listen. One should always listen to their elders and teachers carefully. Never interfere in between. We should always be attentive while teacher is teaching something in the class. If you want to ask something, just raise your hand, but never disturb others. Another good manner is help others. Helping provides us grow up to a better person. So kids, we should always help others. Help your friends at school, your parents at home, your grandma and grandpa. Be good children and be happy. So kids, now let us learn some magic words. Which are they? I am sorry, please, excuse me, thank you, may I. So first is thank you. We say thank you to show our gratitude to others. We should say thank you when somebody gives us something. When teacher gives you compliment, you should always say thank you. Another magic word is sorry. We say sorry when we hurt someone. We should say sorry to apologize for something we have done wrong. Next is excuse me. We say excuse me for politely getting someone's attention. You should say excuse me teacher when you want to interrupt in between. Next is please. We say please to politely ask for something. When you want something from your mama, you should say, Mama, please give me this. Another magic word is may I. We say may I to ask for something like may I come in, ma'am? Or may I go out to play?
Please remember to cover your mouth when you sneeze or when you cough. Use a tissue and wash your hands. That is always the best plan. Use your manners everywhere. you'll see. Use your manners everywhere, anytime and anywhere. Good manners matter. All of them you have to master. Be respectful all the time. Wait your turn and be on time. Keep your hands to yourself. Listen when others are talking as well. Use your manners everywhere. Don't forget the magic words. You must use them wherever you go. Thank you, sorry, excuse me, please are kind words to say, you'll see. Use your manners everywhere, anytime and anywhere. Good manners matter. All of them you have to master. Da-da-da-da.
Hope you enjoyed this session. Stay home and stay safe. See you again. Bye.